Hi, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. How are both of you?
Good. How are you, Chloe?
Doing well, thank you.
Good. I'm so excited to chat with you. Congratulations on this movie. It was such a crazy ride from start to finish. And one of my favorite things about the film was even though it is a pretty intense movie, Coco, you made me laugh out loud so many times. And I'm curious, off camera, who would you say was like the biggest cast goofball to kind of counteract the intensity of the story?
Honestly, in my experience with my scenes, I really was surprised how like funny Chloe is. We've known each other, a long time being kids of this industry, but seeing like her personality like on a more of a day-to-day basis, she really surprised me with like how funny and witty she is. She's really hilarious.
Oh, I love that. Do you have anybody, Miss Lynn, that made you laugh on set?
Malcolm would make me laugh a lot.
He's crazy.
He is so he's so funny. I mean, in one way, so very focused on what he's doing, and another, it's like he's like, yeah, okay. He's like so serious and yet
Yeah.
so cavalier about it, so prepared, but he's very funny.
Mhm.
Oh, I love that. I'm also curious, one of my favorite questions to ask is what was y'all's favorite off-camera adventure that you went on as a cast? Was there anything really memorable that you guys did when you weren't filming?
Well, me personally, I think I was probably assuming I was there the shortest amount of time because I think I was also on tour or about to go on tour. I don't know what was going on. But me
Nice.
and Chloe did end up going out on the town. We were filming in Cape Town. I'd never been there before, and it was so cool. Like the people were really fun, and we just went on this little night escapade adventure, going to these random places, and it was really fun. It was really
Oh,
fun.
that does sound fun.
Mhm.
Yeah, my daughter Grace Gibson came to visit, and we went to see Victoria Falls on the Zimbabwe
Mhm.
and the Zambian side, and it's just a short plane ride from Cape Town, and from Zimbabwe to it's like just across a bridge, and it was so beautiful, full of rainbows everywhere, and it was a great adventure for us. And then just in general terms, as Coco said, the city of Cape Town is very fun. You can find the parts that's really, has a great club scene, a great lounge scene. And oh, there's a Sunday, there's a Sunday party that happens once, I think it's every Sunday in this big pavilion, and it's only a DJ and people just vibing all day long and
Wow.
great barbecue. That was a blast. I would go back to that over and over again. It was like several hundred people, just a vibe.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I haven't had barbecue in so long. That sounds so fun.
It
Fun
was fabulous,
adventure.
fabulous, fabulous.
And Miss Lynn, I have to point out that I realized this year is 20 years since the Cheetah Girls 2 came out, which is so crazy. And I'm curious for you, what has it been like to kind of see that movie become one of the most beloved, I feel like, Disney movies of all time? I feel like all my friends constantly talk about it. I'd love to hear about it from your perspective.
Oh my God, I've dined out on Cheetah Girls. Wherever I've gone in the world, there's a Cheetah Girl. They send me drinks.
Yeah.
Wow.
My God, your mama Cheetah. God, it's her. Send her a drink. Send her.
Wow.
It's just it's a culture.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a culture, and there's a new generation of Cheetah Girls who watched the movie. And last year, a lot of little girls dressed up as Cheetah Girls. And
Yes.
so to be Mama Cheetah, I feel like such a boss lady. I feel like more of a boss chick from being Cheetah Mama than probably anything I've done. And who knows? Cheetah Girls may have more life to it. Never know.
Oh, okay, wait. Tease? That's exciting.
You see, there's a tone that Cheetah Girls get. It doesn't matter.
Oh,
It doesn't matter
now
where they go.
I
Remember, it's
completely
like,
lost the plot.
what? Oh
What?
no, it's Mama Cheetah. It's like, oh my God. It's
I
Wait, so is
lose.
are you starting a are you contributing to a Cheetah Girls 3 rumor or a Cheetah Girls
I,
rumor?
no, I am just saying, look how it continues to evolve,
She
and
worked us
people,
up.
and
Worked us up. Let
you know what I'm saying is, people just keep watching.
Yes.
But I feel like it's deserving of. I think it's
Absolutely.
definitely deserving of. It's such a girl power situation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for chatting with me. It looks like that's all the time that I have, but congratulations again on this movie, and it was such an honor to talk to both of you.
Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Chlöe.